Hello guys, welcome to Prince WPSU. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use Webmaster Disavow tools, remove what toxic backlink 2021, and it's also once you remove toxic backlink that is affecting your site ranking, your ranking will increase and you start getting traffic. And before I continue with this tutorial to explain what is toxic link and spam link too, because this tutorial is very important to some bloggers who misunderstand toxic link with spam link. In this case, if you are new in this channel, please try and subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell. Once update anything concerning SEO, you'll get notified. And again, if you have anything bothering you within SEO, try and comment below the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. Okay, let's go down to the business. Before I start, I want to define what is toxic backlinks. Okay, I'll have the definition of toxic backlinks. They say the first definition here, they say toxic backlinks are the unnatural links that harm the search rankings of websites. I have another second definition of toxic link. If you check very well here, he said toxic links are links from sites that can weaken your website SEO, according to the person that write this description. I want to explain something. Toxic links are those links that can affect your ranking, and these are unnatural links, and some of them are software backlinks. Some of them are links that are not worth to link to your site. Now let me show you example from Moz. And a lot of people misunderstand toxic with spam link. Toxic is different from spam link. Let me show you example of toxic link. This is toxic backlink. Some of them are software backlinks, some of them are unnatural words. You just manipulated it to use it and for black hat reason to do negative SEO towards your computer, or maybe you want to use it and do black hat for your business. Now this is what I mean by toxic. Okay, if you check very well, this is toxic link. The spam score is 70 6, and the DA is 21, which is very bad. And if you check the domain appear, which is inbound, it appear more than 10 places, the same domain. These are software backlink. Some of them are not original backlink. Is auto generating backlink. They use software to build. And if you check very well here, you see something again like 76 spam score, and you will see something like 21 DA. This is spam. This is what they call toxic links. And I'm also going to show you how to disavow these links. And let me show you again what they call spam link. For instance, I have this website. Okay, I have this website I want to show you now. Let me show you example of a spam link. So once you see spam link, you can be able to differentiate what is spam link and what toxic links. Spam link can pass link jukes to your site, and also for example now, Wikipedia is a valid website that you know that. Let's check, for example, Wikipedia have 90 something DA. Let's check Wikipedia. Okay, Wikipedia have 90 something DA, if I'm not mistaken, with spam score of something. Let me check. Okay, so everybody will feel accurate in what I'm saying here. Okay, let's check now. Okay, with 0 spam score. Okay, let me check another valid website. Let's use this website for example. Okay, this particular website, the DA is 20, and let me show you example of spam link, so which you can be able to differentiate to know if spam link is linking to your site, so you cannot feel like to remove them. Most of them have valid, but when it comes to toxic don't have any valid. A toxic link with 79 spam score with 2DA is what? Toxic link. Those kind of link are toxic. Let's say for example, this link now, this particular link now, if you check the spam score of this link is 19 and the DA is what 3. This kind of link is spam link. Okay, this is just for you to differentiate what is spam and what toxic. Let's check for example, this is spam. The spam score is a 90 something spam score. The DA is what? 83. These are quality links, but they have what? Spam link. They will still pass link juice down to what? Your website. So you don't need to consider what? To disavow this kind of link. When you disavow this kind of spam link, you are going to make your website to drop what? Ranking. Okay, and also this kind of link can pass link juice. Any link that have higher DA but with maximum number of 30 spam score is still okay to link to your website. Any DA 40, let me say DA 90 something, 50 something, that have spam score of 20 something, and that kind of site can still pass link juice to your website. Let's say for example your DA is 85 and you have a spam score of 40 something. The site is still valuable to link to your site. These are spam link. But when we are talking about toxic links is when the spam score is higher than the DA. You get my point now. When the spam score is higher than the DA, that is toxic links. Some of them are software backlink. But if you check very well here, the DA is higher than the spam links. So it's still going to pass link juice. Let's check this educational backlink. You will see that this educational backlink, edu backlink, have 91 DA with a spam score of 6. You don't need to disavow this kind of link. They will still pass link juice down to to your website. You don't need to consider disavowing this spam link. So now I'm also going to show you how to disavow this toxic link. So you need to consider what is toxic and what is spam link. When your DA is more than the spam score, is accurate, don't remove it from your site, because if you check this site, their spam score is 15, 16, 6, some of them are 12, and the DA of those links are 90 something, which is accurate, good to link to your site to generate traffic and also lead you to ranking in Google first page or Google search. Now these are toxic. These kind of links can pull down your website and demote your website down and make your website to stop ranking. If you check very well here, they have 76 spam score with the DA of 21, which is very bad. Let's go straight to the point and disavow this kind of link to make sure that it's not pointing at your website, so Google can be able to know that this link, you are not aware of it, and also you want them to count it out of your website so your website can get a space, because sometimes this toxic link can make your website not to rank. When your website wants to breathe, this toxic link will keep on suppressing your website not to rank. So you click extract if you are using Moz. These are if you are using Moz. Okay, you just have to get Moz Premium. Then you click export this file. I'm going to export to 5,000 export, and make sure you have let me say you have Excel that you will use to do this table, equal table, to make sure that you figure out those backlink that is pointing at your website that is toxic. When remember what I said earlier, I'm not repeating myself, but I'm trying to make you to understand it. Remember what I said earlier. I said if the spam score is more than the DA, that kind of link is toxic. But when the DA is more than the spam score, those links are called spam link, but still pass link juice. Now let's open it. I'm using WPX Office. Okay, you have to get this this Excel this Excel software on your PC Okay, try to get it from your PC. Now we have something to put in place before we start doing this. Okay, you have to arrange them in table form. We don't need a date, okay, which is not important to us. We don't need the date they crawl the backlink because it's just a spam link. We don't really need it. Okay, what we need here is the DA and the spam score table format. So now this is the DA, this is the spam link. Now we're going to arrange it very well. We don't need the anchor text, which is not useful for this particular tutorial. It's not useful for us. Okay, I'm going to delete it. These are the title, which is not important in this tutorial. We're going to remove the title. Okay, let me remove the title. What is important to us is the URL. Okay, these are the URL, the toxic links that is pointing at that website that is going to make that site to stop ranking. That website I showed you earlier is one of the expired domain I just find out, and the expired domain have a lot of toxic. Why some people that don't know much SEO drop their website is that when toxic link keep on pointing at your website, your competitor are doing it, or maybe somebody else that is trying to wicked you using software to generate bad links pointing down to your website to demote your ranking. So you end up at the end of the day, you say the website is not performing very well, you drop it down. So if you check what I just did now, you're going to repeat this video by watching it. If you play it, if you do not understand anyone, you scroll back and watch it. Okay, repeat it, you understand what I just did now. I removed some things in this table format. Which we need is only this spam and the DA to know the one that have if you check, all of them are toxic links 60. The spam link is great, is higher than the DA, which is bad links. It's not good to point at your website. And if you check, these are one link they generate with Octo software backlink to use it and to bring the person down, not to rank. So we are going to copy all, which I'm going to just show you guys what you need to do here. Just scroll up. Then what we just need here is just okay, we're going to copy all URL, go to this place, okay, and paste all of them and scroll up and arrange it very well. If you cannot do this, you can just pick each website their direct URL and disavow it immediately. Something disavow the home page than to pick them like this. Okay, if you don't have the time to pack all of them like this, you can be able to pick the URL, the particular toxic URL that is pointing to your website, and disavow the home page, not to point to your website direct. So let's scroll up to arrange it very well. Okay, so we're going to remove this. These things are not valid first. Okay, we're going to remove it. That's all. I think this is okay. We click save, so let's save it. These are toxic links. Okay, toxic links, remember what I just said now. Toxic link spam score is greater than is bigger than the DA, but spam link is the DA is greater than the spam link. These are the equal sign you need to understand about it. So we are going to type Google Disavow. Okay, this is just for example Google Disavow tools. You see the first result that just come up. You just click it. Okay, just click it. Some people, I just did SEO on their website last month. I saw many toxic link pointing at their website. That's the reason some of them are not ranking. Okay, Google see it as something that you are manipulating ranking. You want to manipulate Google search to trigger ranking. But without knowing that some of those links you are not aware, or maybe when you don't know much about backlink, anywhere you see link you drop your backlink, anywhere you see you drop your website URL. These are the things that can cause it. So that particular web page, they have a particular software that generate those links. Then at the end of the day, you went and drop your backlink there, your home page URL there. You see they keep on multiplying till they keep on weakening your ranking, and also your home page not to rank well. And Google will see your website as what? Spamming website. This is a new pattern. I'm still going to do video on how to use this new disavow interface. Okay, you just have to choose property. Let's say, for example, something like this. Okay, just have to choose property, for example. Okay, just scroll down, upload, click upload. Then we're going to upload the document. We're going to upload the document. So we are uploading the document. Once you're done, you click what? You click OK. That's all. You submit what? Your Toxi backlink. So that's all I have for you guys today, and thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day.